Hey folks, Turbine guy coming at you. Now, my power steering pump in my 2000 Chevy Silverado is leaking, and it finally got to a point I got to do something about it, so here I am. And I looked online, I found a bunch of long videos, and I didn't like that, but I did find one trick doing this, so I thought I'd come through and just do a short video and let you know. Now, the best thing to do whenever you start a project like this, get your covers like the engine cover, and the bottom pan under, up and off your way, so you got some light and you got some room to work around. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to take out the serpentine belt or how to disconnect the hoses, anything like that. I don't have time for that. And you know what? If you got to have me explain that to you, then you're watching the wrong video. Go watch another one. What I do want to show you is the shortcut. The big shortcut is that although the alternator sits right on top here, I took that off with 2 bolts of the clip. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right here and 1 on the side here, and this whole unit popped right out. I run up to the shop, I got my buddy replace it with his tools, and then I come back and put the whole assembly in. That saves me a lot of time for me having to bend over, try to play games, getting this out, getting fan guards out, playing all those games that I just don't have time to play. The last thing you want to remember is that these hoses ain't always in the best of condition, especially after 220,000 miles. And you want to make sure that you're going to replace them with new hoses. So I got somewhere around here, I got my new hose. Comes complete with O-rings. You want to be sure you're using those. And I don't like to tell people what tools to use, because this time I had to use my bolt cutter in order to slice that guy so I could get stuff out of there easy. How the heck do you ever know? Anyways, that's a quick trick. You gotta get into the power steering pump. You do that, you replace the hoses, maybe the alternator since you're there, and don't always forget that serpentine belt. As long as you're in there, if it's been a while, you might just want to replace it. All right, guys, Turbine guy checking out.